Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix real audio delay on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. There isn't much thing that you can try for to fix this problem. There are only few fixes that you should try. First, check out your internet connection. See if there are some internet connection problem. You can use some services such as speed test and see if you have reliable internet connection. So we can simply go to speed test, and after that you will want to use speed test, and it will simply measure your internet connection speed and make sure that it is already good. And even though try to lower the resolution or the quality of your reels or your posts, so we can do that by going to our settings. So from the three bars icon, we will want to go to this section, which is your app and media. And from here, we will want to go to data usage and media quality. By clicking on it, make sure to decrease the quality. So use less data or just enable the data saver, and make sure to just use cellular plus Wi-Fi. And this is just for uh, diagnosing the problem, and restart the app. So after saving these changes, just go and force stop your application and click on OK. And after that, just open again your Instagram and see if the delay problem still persists. And if still persists, you can just go to the older versions. Otherwise, if it's fixed, that means there was some internet connection problem. Just make sure to enhance your internet connection, and that would fix, and you can start watching your reels by high quality. Otherwise, you can just check for updates, or you uninstall the app and reinstall it, and normally those should fix your problem. Or you can simply try to clear the cache and see if it's a cache problem. By clicking on clear cache, you can uh, restart again your app and see if the problem is solved. So thank you for watching and see you next time.